Hello everyone, I want to show you how to make Zita. We first look for nail, cover of bottle and thread. The first thing we will do, we'll smash the cover of bottle till it will come flat. Let's go out. This is a stone. You have to smash the cover of the bottle. Now we are going to start. Now it is flat, let's go inside and continue. Now we are going to use the nail. We are going to punch 2 holes around the center. Now we are going to use the thread.
Hi everyone, you're welcome to African Lens Extra, and I have just met this young man who taught me how to make Zita, and I'm going to try it under his watch. He's going to guide me on how to make this Zita, and basically there are a few things that I needed. This one is not part of it. We need this cover for a bottle. This is a bottle cover. This is a Fanta cover. So this is it. There is nail. This is basically a 2-inch nail. We need a hammer. I'm introducing hammer instead of stone as used. So this is hammer. We're going to use hammer instead. what else? We need a thread. Good, this is a thread, so I'm going to try mine with a thread. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to smash this bottle cover until it is flat. See, this is bottle cover I showed you for Fanta. No, it's very simple. Okay, so this is how we do it. This is not quite hard. Wow, this is flat. It's completely round. Okay, I will now remove the membrane inside, which is like this. So this is what we're going to use for our Zita. This time around, I'm the student, while the instructor is guiding me. Don't do it this way, do it the other way. So I'm now going to make 2 holes around the center of this bottle cover. Beautiful. So I'm going to use my nail now. So you see, first one and second hole. Let me make it smooth. You can see now I've made 2 beautiful holes around the center of this bottle cover. This is it. What else do we do? The next thing is we're going to insert our thread inside. So this is the thread. Now I'm done with the hammer, so I'm keeping it by the side. I'm also done with the needle. I don't with the nail. I don't need it anymore. So these extras, I can keep them by the side. All I need is the thread and my bottle cover. So we'll now insert it. Look at it. Come this way, put it back through the other hole. Okay, wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is how it is done. Then I will then tie the 2 ends together. This is great. So let me see how I'm going to start it for the first time. So pick this other end. That's where the other finger is going to go in. And I should place it like halfway. Okay. So I'll now start my Zita. I'll start rolling this way. Yeah, please, if you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and where possible you share it. Okay, so this is my Zita is starting for the first time. Wow, I've done it. Smooth. Can you see, guys? I've even destroyed it. So something went wrong. What happened? I don't know. Maybe I should change the thread. Okay. Do it faster. I can also reduce the tempo. So do I deserve a round of applause? Can you give me a round of applause? Yes. You clap for me for doing it very, very well. Cool. That's good. I've made a beautiful Zita. So mostly kids around here do enjoy this a lot. Almost every child you can find around can play with this. So it's very good. It's so entertaining. A lot of children use it a lot. So it's a beautiful thing for every child to learn. Or if your child don't know how to use it, you build one for him and teach him how to use it. It's so beautiful, so nice, so entertaining. It's great. So what do? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a nice day.